Hey folks, it's Nessa here on Infinitely Zero's channel. So wanted to show you what I got for the Maxim monthly crochet club kit for the month of April. And I got it like a week or two ago. Sorry, I've been really busy with work and not feeling well, so I haven't been able to catch up and make all the videos that I've wanted to. So yeah. So I wanted to say hi and welcome to all my new and returning watchers and subscribers. Thanks so much for being here, and if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe. And also hi and welcome to my members. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means a lot. Definitely helps me a lot. So yeah, so I got this kit. That's what they sent. I thought it was pretty cool. It's the first time it's been an amigurumi, and I like that it's the flat ones because I have made these which have a pattern book that's the knotted loveys, and this pattern looks a lot like that. I don't know if it actually has a knot there at the end or if the feet are done differently. And yeah, so sorry. The what I've been charged, what I'm paying for the monthly crochet club kit from Maxim is $18.99, and then $5 shipping costs with the $1.79 tax, so it comes out to like $25.77. That's what I'm paying for it. So yeah, so very cool. So this month came with two nice big skeins of burlap blanket yarn, which is the Moon Dusk colorway. And if you've never used it before, it's nice and soft. I believe it's 100% polyester. These are the 10.5 ounce skeins, or 300 grams. It comes 220 yards or 201 meters. Machine washable and dryable. It's a number 6 super bulky weight yarn. And on the label, it recommends to use an 8mm crochet hook or US 11 8mm knitting needles. It's made, where's it made? Made in China. And this has the Okiotex standard 100. For other colorways, have been able to get these skeins at Ollie's for like $6 when they used to have them. I haven't seen them there for sale in a long time. When Joann's was around, it was like $9 or $10 for these, maybe 11, 12 the most. But I think now they've actually gone up a lot more in price. I don't know. I haven't checked recently what the regular going price for them is. Maybe 14 or $15. I'm not sure. I usually don't pay full price for them, so I wait until there's a sale. Let's see. Let me do a quick look. Burlap blanket yarn. Anyway, so there was two skeins of this. And you know, on Bernat, Yarn Inspirations has plenty of sales. I guess Michael's has this on sale right now too for like $10.49. Not this exact colorway, but another colorway, and that was the mystical one. Let me see, the Yarn Inspirations one. It's yeah, they're up to $15 now, so yeah, that's a lot per one of each of these skeins. This is what I read to you guys in case you've never seen it. It works up quick too when you're doing stuff with this yarn. That's what the label says. The colors are pretty. It's like a grayish blue with a lighter grayish blue with kind of like a mauve, and then like a purpley darker mauve color. And it came with stuffing. They put a lot of stuffing in here. I don't think this huggable hippo needs that much stuffing for his head, because I think his body is like, you know, I think the stuffing was bigger than the skein of yarn. And it also had this little baggie here, so they included eyes, which was pretty cool, and some felt. Oh, that's black yarn. So a little bit of black yarn, some felt, and the eyes are the bigger size black eyes with the backs. So that's pretty cool. I mean, you can always do the eyes however you want. If you're doing it for a small child, you should embroider them. Don't use the safety eyes, even though they're called safety eyes. I don't know. This is what the little guy looks like, the hippo. This is a close-up of his face. Isn't it cute? I guess with the black yarn, they do his little nose and eyebrows, which you can't really see in the picture. He has cute little ears. And they recommend using a size J10 6mm crochet hook. The legs, second legs. Yeah, they are tying a knot in each leg. I know when I did one that was a dragon and I gifted that to my dad, that was a knotted lovey. I had a hard time like tying the knot with this yarn and it hurt my hand. So, I mean, I think it's fine if you don't make a knot in the legs, but that's personal choice, right? So, you know. Anyways. But yeah, and you can always do something else with this if you don't want to make a amigurumi, you know, a stuffed animal. So yeah, that's what they call the crochet figurines, the amigurumi. I can't even like put this back in here. So I'll do that off a video, off the camera. And then I've finished this last month. It's a bag I made in Tunisian crochet, my own pattern. It's simple stitch on the bottom, basket weave stitch, Tunisian basket weave stitch for the bag, and then I did a join on the side, sort of like similar to interlock, and then did one side and then did that for the second side, and joined as I went, a join as you go, and did the other rows. And this is what the yarn looked like. It's ice yarn. I can't remember right now. I don't have the label here with me. It's not a soft yarn. It's pretty rough, which is why I decided to make a bag with it. Stretches a little bit, but not too bad. And I did Tunisian simple stitch for that bottom part and for the handles too. I may make it a little more and maybe like, add a button and close it. I may add a liner. I don't know yet. But so just wanted to show you guys that, and that's what I've done so far. And I've worked on other stuff, but I can't really show it, and my hands are still hurting and things like that. So okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed. This is another short and sweet video. Take care. Bye.